Hello friends. So today I'm going to talk about the Introducing Sounds 4. So Introducing Sounds 4, we are going to do the last 8 sounds. So these are the last 8 sounds which you will do very similarly to the way you did them in Introducing Sounds 1 and 2. And similarly, you also have the sound recap in Introducing Sounds 4. And now you have the recap for all the 26 sounds in Introducing Sounds 4. And you're ready for the last book, which is Introducing Sounds 5. So, friends, I would also like to remind you that saying the sounds in the right way is very important. And to understand how to say the sounds, how to pronounce the sounds, I would request you to go to the videos which are there on the website of the Anandaya Foundation to understand how to say the sounds, and so that you are using them correctly with the child. Also, the Anandaya Foundation website has detailed versions of how to do the beginning sound, the ending sound worksheets, the middle sound worksheets, also the vowel sound worksheets. So when you look at those videos in detail, you would have the correct language to use when you are doing these worksheets with the children. Thank you.